How to save a project on Audacity. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you two ways to save your audio project on Audacity easy and fast. So after you finish recording your audio on Audacity, now it's time to save it. Now all what you have to do is just go to the top corner right here. You will find file, click on it and go down and you will find save project. Now click on save project and click OK. And now add the name to save it with, and then project 1 for example, click save, and then it will be saved. And if you want to save it as, you have this option here, click on it and you will be also able to save it in different name. And yeah, if this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the very end. See you later in the next video. Thank you so much.